Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to orient your viewer. So like on this clip, I really don't want anyone starting here and looking at these ladies or me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the effects panel, which is right over here. And if you don't see that, you have to make sure, like you might have been on effects over here, you need to make sure that you click on editing and that'll pull up this panel. So again, I clicked on effects, and then I'm going to go down to video effects, and I'm going to scroll down and make sure I choose immersive video. So I'm going to double click on this, and then I'm going to go down and I'm going to click on VR rotate sphere. So when that happens, you'll see that there are all these different options, and you can go ahead and play with those, but the one that I want to use is pan. So I have to actually click on this, and I need to drag it onto that clip that I'm going to change. Okay, so now I can change the effects. So here, this is where I can actually change. So I like to use a scroll where I can change the orientation. So I want them to start here where they can see the water. And then if I get it wrong, this little button right here, that just simply resets it. So again, you just scroll here, and then that'll take you to where you want your viewer to start.